We're talking about crypto wallets today, guys. I'm going to be showing you a few examples of different kind of wallets you can get and some of my most recommended wallets. But before we get into it, disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only.
So let's go and have a look at these wallets. So guys, I want to start over on this article, investopedia.com, talking about what a crypto wallet actually is. Then I'm going to jump into a lot of the ones that I like. So a crypto wallet is an application that functions as a wallet for your cryptocurrency, okay? It's called a wallet because it's used similarly to a wallet you put your cash and cards in, okay? Now, crypto wallets can be in loads of different forms. Here's one here, which is Metamask, all right? This is a crypto wallet and gateway to the blockchain apps. This is one you can actually have on your extension, okay, up here. You sign in just by clicking the button and you can change all the different nets that you want to be on. Guys, this is an online wallet, much like the wallet that you have in your pocket, that you put your money in. Okay, this is the same, but for your crypto. Super, super easy, right? There is different ones. So that's MetaMask, which is probably one of the most popular wallets there is, okay? Then we have different kinds of apps that you can actually download to use as wallets, like ZenGo, okay? This is the most secure crypto wallet in their eyes that they think, all right? The only self-custodial wallet with no seed phase vulnerability. Now, what is a seed phase? A seed phase is how you get into your wallet. For example, like I showed you, open up MetaMask. If I don't know my password, I will click forgot password, all right? It's gonna take me to this page where I have to put in a seed phrase. This is a unique phrase only to that wallet. If you lose it, you can't get in. Simple as that. If somebody else gets it from you, they can get into your wallet. It's as simple as that, all right? It's very, very important that people use seed phrases and actually understand how incredibly popular they are. This wallet here does not have them. You don't need it for this app. So that's a very, very interesting asset to have. I prefer seed phases, which is why I don't use ZenGo. Now, we do have different kinds. So we have ledgers, okay? We have hard wallets, cold wallets, things like that. Now, a ledger is the secure gateway to all your crypto needs, all right? You can buy, exchange, grow your crypto securely with the Ledger hard wallet combined with the Ledger Live app, and it's never been easier than using this. It looks like this here, all right? Like a little tiny USB stick that clicks into your computer, but that USB stick could literally hold you millions and millions of dollars of crypto. You can get them in bundles. I do recommend having different ones for different platforms that you're using, and the accessories, obviously, you get the back. But hardware wallets, all right, they're not that expensive, about $279 for the top end, and you can get to the small end, $79. I would recommend personally, it doesn't matter which ledger you get. If you're holding a lot of crypto, go all out. If you're not, it doesn't really matter, right? It's going to secure it no matter what. They're all very, very good at what they do. The only difference is some of them are touchscreen, some of them have wireless charging, and some of them have more coins. All right, so get involved with one of the ledgers. All right, the best ones, go to shopledger.com. Very, very incredible. Back to some of the online wallets that you're going to use that aren't actually plugins. All right, you've got the Exodus Bitcoin wallet. Now, Exodus is blowing up to one of the best multi-chain Web3 wallets. All right, you do everything you could think of on here, storing all your crypto. So it's definitely a good one, guys, to dive into and get involved in. And then probably the most popular outside of altcoins and things like that is Coinbase. All right, the Coinbase wallet is fantastic. It's the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency, and you can sign up, get started today, and deposit. I think it's like minimum $5 or something like that, right? It's incredible. There's a lot of different ways on the wallets of just owning crypto, all right? It's not just like in your wallet you can own. You can stake on the wallet, you can trade on the wallet, you can buy on the wallet, send, receive, all these things within this one wallet, okay? It's just fantastic how crypto wallets have adapted over the years, and we are now at a stage where you can choose the path you want to go down, whether it's hardware, cold wallet, anything online, using it as an extension, whatever you choose to make your crypto life a lot more easier. All right, to make it streamlined and go along your crypto journey with ease. There you go, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this, and please drop in the comments which wallet you're going to get involved with. Okay, they're all fantastic. Like that button, hit the subscribe, and hit that bell, please. And I will see you on the next video.